Sawadee krap tukon. Today we are here in Nonthaburi, more precisely at Impact Arena, which is a huge event space with many pavilions, concert halls. Usually all the biggest shows, events, exhibitions are all held here. And today there's a very cool event happening, which is about Thai culture. They're going to be showcasing food and products from all across the country, as well as traditional performances, music, and much more. So obviously we have to go check it out. Bye, Ganlei. As you guys can see, there's a lot of food stalls, typical products from different regions in Thailand. And check this mouth-watering crispy pork belly. Let's get out of here before I buy it. Instead, I would just get this honey lemon tea to go watch the performance that's about to begin. Let's go. So this charming little fella, it's known as Hanuman. He's one of the main characters in Thai folklore. It is a mystical creature known to be an immortal knight. He's also very famous for being very mischievous and full of swag. how smart. The gentleman over there wanted to give him 20 baht, but he kept making fun of him because everyone was giving 100 baht. Nice trick, huh? He didn't steal only hearts, he also stole the lady's purse. How dare he? Wait until you see what happened at the end. That was a pro move, seriously. And speaking of, let's check how graceful these Thai traditional dance moves are. After this beautiful dance, let me show you guys these Thai traditional dresses. Look at these details. Gorgeous. And speaking of details, I also found this painter doing textile paintings, and he was using a traditional technique called batik, which consists in using wax to create the outline of the designs, allowing you to create very detailed paintings. And he also invited me to try. I think it wasn't that bad. So after a day indulging in Thai culture, let's check the modern side of it. So we are here now in Song Wat Street, which is one of the trendiest streets now in Bangkok. This area got very popular recently with lots of coffee shops, restaurants, and art events. So that's where all the cool people are hanging out nowadays. And tonight there's a very cool music festival event happening, so I'm gonna take you guys with me to check it out. But first, I need to get some coconut water from this guy that looks like my Thai brother. So I will leave you guys here with some of the artists that I really liked from that night. I will leave their Instagram on the description of the video. If you like them, please go follow them to give them some support and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. See you next time and Pai Lao Na.